Morning mathematicians, and welcome to Poster Method Monday. I want to remind you that mathematicians can use the solve method to solve word problems by showing and explaining their thinking. As we are reading our problem, you need to start visualizing and making mental pictures in your mind. Try to picture what's happening in the problem. Read with me. Angel is visiting the zoo and counting the birds he sees. He sees 7 owls, 5 parrots, and some penguins. He sees 19 birds in all. How many penguins did he see during his visit to the zoo? So let's go over our steps. So our first step is we're going to read the problem. Can you visualize what's happening? Tell someone at home what you are seeing. Our second step is to read the problem again. Then this time you're going to act out what's happening. So can you act out what's happening? Act it out with someone at home. For our third step, we're going to read the problem again. You're going to ask yourself how you're going to solve the problem. What strategy or strategies are you going to use and why? Remember to use at least 2 different strategies to show your thinking. Our fourth step, you're going to read the problem once more. And then you're going to work independently for the next 8 to 10 minutes to show your thinking. Our fifth step, we're going to reflect. You're going to write at least 2 or 3 sentences on your data sheet about what you did to try and solve the problem. Our last step, you're going to share. Share your reflections with a family member. Share your strategies. You can share your solutions. Remember to work on your goal as you are solving a problem. Maybe you need to study the problem and underline the question. Maybe you need to organize your facts, line up your plan. Whatever you feel that you need to work on, you can work on. The goal that your teacher may have given you, you can work on that. But just make sure that as you are solving the problem, that you have a goal in mind. Good luck.